I can't wait to see where my hustle takes me. Because hustle isn't just about working harder, it's about building something that can change your future. It's waking up with a purpose, knowing that every conversation, every connection, and every customer you help can move you one step closer to the life you've imagined. And sometimes, the biggest difference between where you are and where you want to be is simply having the right opportunity. That's what TruPowur is about. We give motivated entrepreneurs and sales professionals the opportunity to build their own energy business backed by the technology, training, tools, suppliers, products, markets, and support to help them succeed. You don't have to create everything from scratch. You bring the hustle. You bring the ambition. You bring the willingness to learn, take action, and stay consistent. And TruPowur gives you a platform designed to help turn that effort into something bigger, a business with the potential to create recurring and compounding residual income. Because real hustle isn't about staying busy, it's about building momentum. It's about creating relationships today that can continue producing opportunities tomorrow. And it's about putting your energy into something that has the potential to keep growing long after the first sale. Imagine looking back 5 years from now and realizing that one decision, one opportunity, and one commitment to yourself completely changed the direction of your life. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a seven-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy, it's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit truepowercareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.